Hi, can you see this fish? I've taken around half kg of fish, which I have marinated with half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. This I'm going to keep it aside for the marination for around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I'll tell you what are the ingredients that I'll be needing to make this fish recipe. Here are the ingredients for the fish recipe. In this bowl, I have 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, 6 pieces of sliced green chilies, 1 big-sized chopped onion, then some oil. In this plate, I have all the spices, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala. So let's start preparing for the recipe. So here is the marinated fish. To this I'm going to add the garlic paste, onion, green chilies, tomatoes, and all the spices. Salt you can use according to your taste. Since I have used half teaspoon of salt to marinate the fish, so I'm using now only half teaspoon of salt. This I'm going to mix it very thoroughly. So you can see that I have thoroughly combined all the ingredients. Now to this I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of refined oil and mix it again. So I have mixed the oil also. Now this I'm going to keep it again for another 10 minutes so that all the spices, everything gets absorbed inside the fish. I have placed a pan on the stove. Into this I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of oil and let it become hot first. After that, I'll tell you what to do. Whether the oil has become hot or not, I'm going to drop a piece of the onion slices. Yes, it has become hot. Now I'm going to reduce the flame to low. And I'm going to put the fish into the wok. So in this way I have put all the pieces of the fish. To this I'm going to add around 5 tablespoons of water and I'm going to cook this in simmer for around 30 minutes. So here I put the 5 tablespoons of water. Actually I rinsed the bowl where I marinated the fish. So here I put the water. And this I'm going to cover it with a lid and cook in simmer for 30 minutes. So here it is, our fish curry is done. I cooked for nearly 30 minutes. So now I am going to switch off the gas. After that I'll take out on a plate and show you how does it look. So here it is, our yummy fish curry. How does it look? Mouth-watering, isn't it? I have garnished with some chopped coriander leaves. I'm sure you'll try to make this simple recipe. And believe me, it's very tasty. Try it and taste it. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And please do comment also. Thank you so much for watching.